What up, everybody? It's JV Outdoors, and today we got this. It is the new. It's AKASO Brave 7 LE, the launch edition. I've never been one big on like GoPros. I had a couple of cheap ones. Now compared to a GoPro, this is a lot cheaper. This is about 140 bucks shipped on Amazon. And of course, you know, GoPros, they're about 300 plus. But kind of did some reading up on this. Just a second. But I kind of did some reading up on this right here. And it's supposed to be waterproof. Without a case on it, to up to like 3 meters or something like that. It's supposed to be able to shoot in 4K at 30 frames a second. So let's open it up, check it out. It's got this nice little fancy case on it. So I've actually had it for a little while. That's what it looks like when you open it. It's got the camera inside of another water case here. The accessories. Oh, it comes with a bunch of accessories, it looks like. It's got 3 bags here. One's labeled 1. They come in these cool little bags. 1, 2, and 3. What else we got in here? Castle Club. Oh, it's warranty and stuff like that. Share your experience. Looks like a quick start guide. Oh, it just shows like how to connect it, because you can connect this to your phone and stuff like that. And then you can scan a code to download the user manual or whatever. I don't use user manuals. We'll figure it out for ourselves. Alright, let's see what they got in the accessory bags here. Oh, geez. They got a lot of stuff. In one, it looks like we got some straps. Yeah, a bunch of clips. Oh, I like that. That'll probably use. Yeah, that's probably to hook it onto a chest piece. So that'll be cool. So it comes with a bunch of accessories here. Oh, it looks like got some tie downs and stuff. A dual battery charger with a plug-in. Looks like it's micro USB. It's not a C. It's old-fashioned. And in here, yeah, we got 1 battery. Oh, there was something else in here. Oh, cleaning cloth and more of these sticky pads. Cleaning cloth. Yeah, 2 batteries and one of these. Control the camera through the watch wrist thing. I've never actually used one of these. I've had a few other cheap GoPros or GoPro knockoffs that come with these, and they never really work that well. But I always, if I do use one, I put it on my chest, so I'm not too worried about it. So that's what it comes with. It comes with a bunch of stuff, though. Let's take the camera out. That's it. It comes in a waterproof case. It's got a bunch of stickers to remove film before first use. It's got a sticker thing on the back. Jeez, how do you open this thing? It's definitely water sealed. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, it's got a... See, this is one of the things I like about it. It's got a front-facing screen plus a back screen. And boy, that feels good. That's heavy. That feels like a camera. No, I've owned a bunch of cheap knockoff ones before. So what? Press the button. I don't know how to open this stuff. It's got. Oh, I see. Where's the SD card go in at? Oh, right there. Yeah, it's got the water seal rubber on there. Let's see that. And oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's gonna be watertight. And it's got the plug-in for the micro SD and a plug-in for a mini HDMI. Now, the one thing I don't like about this is it does not take an external mic, which kind of stinks, but we'll see how well the mic is. So my plan is later today, obviously I'm going to take it and charge up all the batteries and stuff. Take this off. We'll take it out. We'll charge up all the batteries, and later I'll take it out and we'll go fishing. We'll see how well she functions. Boy, she is pretty. That's for sure. Where's these batteries? Hope they have some charge in them. And that's how you turn it on. Yeah, no card. So that's what it looks like. Boy, that's pretty clear. Of course, that probably... Oh, it's showing me in the... Oh, look. Double me. That's ugly. Oh, it's... let's see. It's at 4K 30 right now. Boy, that looks good. How do you change it to the front? Oh, wait. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, you just hold down on this button and it switches to the front. So you can, so like if you had it hooked on your kayak or something looking back at you, you can actually see, well, that's pretty clear too. Oh, that's awesome. This I'm gonna like. Well, alright, let's go back to the back screen. Wow. Let's go to settings. Video resolution. Yeah, it's got 4K 30. Looks like 2K at 60 frames. Or 2.7K at 60 frames. And it goes all the way down to 720 at 60 frames. I don't know why you'd ever want to shoot at that. But we'll try the 4K at 30 frames per second. Let's see, image stabilization, it's got that, so we'll turn that on. Voice record on. Video quality, I guess we'll say middle. It's got a wind reduction. It's not very windy out today, so hopefully if we go fishing I won't need that, but that's a good thing to have. I don't know what EV is. It's got, turn that off. It's got a date stamp on. It was on automatically, so if you buy this, it's got the date stamp and it was on. So before you use it, go and turn that off. So you obviously don't want that. What's metering? I don't even know. I'm not the greatest at this. Oh, okay. I don't know what that means. Let's see what else we got here. Sounds. Okay. Oh, it's got a driving mode, upside down mode. Boy, I'm not good. Huh. Well, it's got the image stabilization on. Well, as I said, I'm going to charge up the batteries. It's really hot right now, so we'll wait till this afternoon, go out for a couple hours. Oh, it's got a zoom on it too. Look at that. It's got zoom. How far does it zoom? It's not working. Maybe because I ain't got a card in. Oh, I turned it to camera. How do I turn it back from camera? I don't know how to do that. Oh. I don't know how I turned it to camera. There we go. Oh yeah, the zoom works. See if I can show that on here. Look at zoom out. Zoom in. I don't know how many times that zooms, but that's cool. Definitely zoom that back out. So yeah, so far I really like it. The only thing I can say is don't like that it doesn't take an external mic. But I love that front facing screen. That is awesome. Yeah, I wonder how. That is awesome. So yeah, if I put this on the front of my kayak and just have it looking back at me. But the only problem is yeah, as I said, I wish it took an external mic. Oh well. Alright. Well, I said we'll charge up the batteries. And then I'll get the boat ready to go and all that. And we'll go out fishing and we'll see how well she works. So yeah, that's the AKASO. What is it called? The AKASO Brave 7LE Launch Edition. So, alright, we'll check that out later. Alright everybody, we're out here and we got the AKASO little GoPro thing with us. The Brave 7LE. Action Jackson's here with us.
Hi, but
I am liking this front screen. I can sit here and look at myself. But we're going to try to catch some fish. And I said we're just pretty much testing this camera out and see how nice she is. So, alright, I'm going to slap this GoPro on.
Slap it.
And then I'm going to drop anchor and we'll try and fish for a while. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright, I think we're recording. Now I said this camera is supposed to be waterproof, so I'm not too worried about getting it wet.
Yeah, in case one of the fishes splash water on
Yeah. Oh, let's see. We got all my Piscafun bait casting rods here.
Can I show my foot?
Would you just quit? Let's see, I got a swim jig on the Phantom, and I got chartreuse on chatter on the Turret. Actually, let's go with the pumpkin. I never use green pumpkin out here very often. This is on my Phantom X on my Turret 7.5 foot rod. So let's see what we can accomplish here.
Yeah, I'm out here running just as fast as I can. Got the whole world looking at me. They're begging me to change everything that I am, but it ain't who I wanna be. Oh, the interstate's pumping just like a vein full of California license plates. And my heart is thumping, going insane.
I'll go with the chartreuse, white chartreuse. That always seems to be my go-to.
Them good old boys are few and far between. Yeah, my granddad's spinning in his grave. And
Look at Jackson just caught the largest perch ever. Not even bigger than my hand. Glad you caught a fish.
Yes sir, no sir, pardon me ma'am, we don't hear it much anymore. From the punk ass kids not giving a damn, hanging out at the corner store. They're gonna beg, steal and borrow the promise.
Oh, I hope I got that jump
Ain't that
on
hard
camera.
to tell? And no one else knows.
That was a good one.
Staring at their phones. The whole
Yeah,
world's going
that's a
to
good one.
hell. Them
Oh boy.
girls are few and far between. They're spread out then from Houston to Tennessee. Yeah, my granddad's spinning in his grave, and they're all
There we are, ladies and gentlemen. Nice one. Zeroed out. 273. Alright, at least we got one on the board.
They spread out then from Houston to Tennessee. Them good old boys are few and far between. They spread out then from Houston to Tennessee. Yeah, my granddad's spinning in his grave, and they're all laughing. I'm old-fashioned.
Just a little
I'm
guy. Looks
old-fashioned.
flimsy a bit, man. Bye, buddy. Alright. But I think we're gonna have to kill it anyhow. Sun's going down. We need to get docked.
Yeah.
Get the boat out of the water.
And then I can swim, get this thing off, and not be tired anymore. Possibly take another nap. Then take another one for the night.
Alright, we're gonna call it. I got a lot of footage to go through. Alright, everybody, we're calling it. We'll get back to you when we get back to the house.
Bye.
Alright, everybody. We just got through pretty much editing the video using this AKASO, the Brave 7LE, and I must say it was actually really good. The footage is awesome. The sound is actually better than I thought it was going to be with this tiny little microphone. The video quality was just fine. The batteries seemed to last. I did switch out the battery. It comes with 2 batteries, and I did switch out the battery once. But Charlie, would you quit? But it did seem to work pretty well. Like, I think I recorded for about an hour and 45 minutes. The battery wasn't quite dead, but it was close. So I just switched it out. And then I never even came close to wearing out the second battery. And we were out there from 5 o'clock till about 8, so about 3 hours. So 3 hours of recording, and I did not even come close to going through both batteries. So yeah, it's awesome. It was I'm very glad I purchased it. So for 140 bucks, can't go wrong. So I said the only thing I wish is that it had an external mic, but the mic wasn't bad. It really wasn't. I thought it was going to be way worse than it was, but as you can see, I'm just editing it up, and then get this going. Oh, there is no MonsterBass box this month. So if you won last month, your name will flash across the screen right now. Reason being is I had my credit card or my debit card number stolen, and so I had to cancel that debit card, and everything that gets paid for through that debit card obviously didn't get paid, which MonsterBass subscription is one of them, and I can't redo my subscription until I get the new card in the mail. And they don't take PayPal. I wish they took PayPal. We would have just kept on going, but they ain't. So it'll be next month, but we'll start the MonsterBass giveaways again. But yeah, like I said, if you won last month, your name was back there. All right, well that's it. So enjoyed this camera. It's a very awesome camera, and I'm glad I purchased it. And if you're looking for a cheaper version to not go GoPro, 140 bucks, man. 4K, 30 frames per second, image stabilization, and the mic was not bad at all. Alright, don't forget, Genesis 93. See y'all later.